Well, it's Sunday and I'm just loading up some stuff in the trailer. Hey, it's a time of firsts. Stick around. Yeah, it's a time of first. Next weekend, actually Friday, this coming Friday, if you're watching this on Wednesday, I'm doing something that I haven't done before. Now, I've pulled the trailer by myself before, but I've never really gone down and just spent an entire weekend. Now, to be fair, I'm going with the gang. My sister, brother-in-law, and our friends Tom and Jen are coming also. But we're going out to the coast this weekend. Teresa is spending a little time with her mom, which is great. But we made reservations, and then something else came up, and then something else came up. So I decided I'm not canceling the reservations. Well, I'm going to go. I'll just take the dogs, and we'll take the trailer down, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I thought I'd take today and make sure that I've got everything I need, because I'm going to take off early on Friday. Because Teresa's leaving Saturday morning, I'm going to leave early Friday. Get down there, make sure that it's daylight. It is November, Oregon coast. Probably going to be a little wet. So I want to give myself plenty of time to get down there, get things set up, and start enjoying the wintry Oregon coast. I think I'm going to do a lot of photography this time. Anyway, I thought I'd take you along as I kind of go through this routine and start doing the mindset that I've got to do all of this myself. You know, I've got to load up, I've got to make sure that there's food, and I've got to make sure that everything, so I'm on my own. And that's a first. Well, as you can see, nothing in there, so I'm not going to be able to sustain on salsa alone, that's for sure. I better make a shopping list. Well, I guess the good news is I do have bourbon, so we're good there. I did have to bring in the extra blanket and stuff, because it's going to be chilly. It's going to be cold down there at the coast. I'm hoping for some really good storms. Like I said, I really want to work on some photography this weekend. And the more violent the ocean is, the better off that's going to be. A couple things real quick. We use this dry lube, this Blaster dry lube. Use it on the slide outs. Use it on anything that moves. And the important part is it's dry, so you don't get any sticky mess. The other thing is I just found this. Brand new. I've never used this before. But it is the Blaster White Lithium Grease. And you use that on your ball. So rather than putting that grease that I usually use to do the hitch, I'm going to try this stuff. They say it works great, so we'll let you know. I guess now also would be a really good time to thank the sponsor of this video. And the sponsor of this video this week is me, because I'm always the sponsor of this video. You see all these guys that have like actual sponsors and all that stuff. Hey, look, we've got some affiliates, and if you want to use them, use them. But really, we sponsor every one of our videos. Hey, this is something that I got to take in the house. Staring at this. We use this Eva Dry. Focus there. It just kind of zaps out humidity. And we're getting into that time of the year now where, where humidity is going to start becoming a problem again. Running the heater, doing all that stuff. So really the point of coming out here this time was just to make sure that I had enough clothes. I got my wet weather gear. I've got, you know, some things like, I mean, bringing the extra blankets. I like that real heavy blanket. This is the ugliest blanket on the planet right here. But it's my favorite because it's one of those real heavy blankets, you know, the kind that just feels weighty on you. And so I really like it. I really like it in the trailer. So tomorrow I'll come out. Nah, tomorrow's only Monday. Maybe Friday morning. Friday morning I'll come out. I'll check the tire pressure and make sure that everything's good there. That light's probably not good for you guys. I'll check the tire pressure, do that kind of stuff. But everything looks good out here. One of the things that I really checked out here today is we've had about a week and a half of straight rain. It's been coming down out here. So I just went through and checked all the seams and seals from the inside, looked for any water spots, anything. We have 0 leaks in the trailer. You know, I just retreated the roof before our big trip this summer, and put Dicor up there and made sure that everything was set. So everything is nice and dry in here. I've got the dehumidifier plugged in the house now. We'll bring that back out Friday morning. It'll be ready to go. I probably need to go to the Walmart and pick up some of our buckets that we always use in the winter time. We get the great big dry dehumidifier buckets. I like to put one under the bed, and then we like to put one out here in the living space, and it keeps things nice and dry without, you know, making it too dry. So anyway, it's good. Hey, one thing that I just checked was, you know, we keep the trailer plugged in here at the house, and I came out and we had no power coming to the trailer. Well, we had tried using a wireless, one of those smart plugs, so that we can unplug and plug, you know, and do all that stuff. Apparently, the smart plug that we picked was tied to the internet, tied to your phone, and as soon as the phone left the internet area of the house, it would turn off. So things have been off out here, which no big deal. There's no food to spoil in the fridge. You just saw that. So anyway, I unplugged that, went back to our old method of doing things, and until I put a 30 amp outlet attached to the house itself, we'll be okay. Anyway, again, it's just a bunch of firsts, and we're out here just checking the trailer to make sure that we are ready to go. Need to restock some movies. I should probably make a checklist. Anyway, not a real exciting video, but it's a Wednesday video, which our Wednesday videos have been performing like crap anyway. Hopefully they're getting better. I don't know. You let me know. Put it in the comment section below if you even stuck around this long. All right. We'll see you in the next video. And did I mention that I appreciate each and every one of you? Really, thank you. I do.